Hello and welcome to this tutorial on never miss a sale, create alerts for your favorite fashion brand. Today we're going to explore how you can use Python to build a simple system that notifies you when an item from your favorite fashion brand goes on sale. See on the screen, we're starting in a Python visualizer environment, which is a fantastic tool for learning and understanding how your code executes step by step. There's a placeholder comment in Russian inviting us to write our Python code here. Soon our tutorial title will appear, setting the stage for what we're about to achieve. Our goal is to create a powerful, yet easy to understand Python script that will automatically check product prices on a website and send you an alert if a desired item drops in price. Never missing out on a great deal again! Let's begin by outlining the main steps involved. On type here we start the process. Initial phase usually involves setting up your Python environment, installing any necessary libraries like requests for making HTTP requests to websites, and Beautiful Soup for parsing HTML content. You might also need to import smtplib if you plan to send email notifications. This is where you lay the groundwork for your automation script. We need to follow the steps carefully. This is a crucial instruction as programming often requires attention to detail. In the context of creating sale alerts, this step would involve writing the core logic of your script. The request library to fetch the web page of your desired product, then Beautiful Soup to navigate through the page's HTML structure and extract specific information such as the product name and its current price. You'd identify the HTML tags and classes that contain this data, ensuring your script can accurately locate and pull the relevant numbers. Apply the changes. You've written the code to fetch and pass product data. This step involves implementing the alert logic. Find a target price or a threshold percentage drop that triggers an alert. If the current price of the item meets your sale criteria, the script would then initiate a notification. It could be an email sent to your inbox, a text message, or even a push notification through another service. Figure your email server details, recipient addresses, and the content of your alert message. We arrive at 4. Done! At this stage, your Python script is complete and ready to run. So typically schedule this script to execute periodically, perhaps once a day, or even multiple times a day to continuously monitor prices. This ensures you're always up to date with any price changes without manually checking the website yourself. In summary, this tutorial guides you through setting up your environment, carefully crafting the web scraping and data extraction logic, implementing smart alert conditions, and ultimately automating the process of finding sales for your favorite fashion items. You have a custom Python tool that helps you save money and stay stylish, all thanks to a bit of code!